What if I told you that just one Satoshi, the smallest unit of Bitcoin, could one day be worth more than $1? Seems crazy, right? I'm Crypto Noe, and I'm here to drop some alpha on all things Bitcoin. In this video, I'll show you exactly why one sat could be your future wealth hack, and why Bitcoin's tiniest unit might just be its most powerful. Let's start with the basics. Bitcoin is divisible. One Bitcoin equals 100 million Satoshis. That means you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can start with just a few sats, even $1's worth. Right now, at $104,000 per Bitcoin, one Satoshi is equal to 0.00104 USD. That means $10 gets you about 9,615 Satoshis as of today. But what happens when Bitcoin hits $1 million one day? If Bitcoin reaches $1 million, one Satoshi equals 1 cent. So $10 would buy you 1,000 Satoshis. Remember how today $10 is equal to 9,615 Satoshis? Well, when Bitcoin hits $1 million, one Satoshi will equal 1 cent. So $10 will equal only 1,000 Satoshis. That's a huge shift from today. And this is where Satoshis become scarce and valuable. Okay, let's zoom out. There will only ever be 2.1 quadrillion Satoshis. Now divide that by 8 billion people on Earth. You get about 260,000 odd Satoshis per person forever back. In 2010, 10,000 Bitcoin bought 2 pizzas. Today, those coins are worth over $700 million. In 2017, $1,000 bought 0.3 Bitcoin. Today, that same $1,000 buys just 0.014 Bitcoin. The deeper we go into adoption, the more people who buy Bitcoin, the more institutions that buy Bitcoin. It just means there's less Bitcoin and there's less Satoshis for you and me. But most people miss this upside. They miss this opportunity, this window. They just think that there's never going to be a perfect time to buy Bitcoin. But if you understand the math, you will realize that it's always a good day to buy Bitcoin, and it's okay, it's even better to stack on Satoshis, spend what you can afford, spend on a monthly basis, and stack those sats. Governments are printing money again. Inflation is eating into all our savings, but Bitcoin, it's mathematically capped at 21 million Bitcoin. From El Salvador to Switzerland, countries are testing Bitcoin-backed systems. BlackRock, Fidelity, they're all buying BTC for their clients. The dominoes are falling. And as Bitcoin becomes a global reserve asset, even one Satoshi, even one, could become something that future generations save. They don't spend. Most people think Bitcoin is too expensive, but Satoshis, they're just flying under the radar. It's like buying digital gold dust before anyone even realizes how precious this really is. So whether Bitcoin hits $1 million or $10 million, Satoshis are the most accessible piece of that future. So buy them, stack them, hold them. So right now, one Satoshi is dirt cheap. But remember that supply is fixed. And as more people flood into Bitcoin, Satoshis are going to run out fast. They're easily divisible. You can use one Satoshi to buy something from, your groceries to pay your rent. It can be easily divided. It's not like a bar of gold. So please start stacking, start owning, because in this Bitcoin world, Satoshis are going to be your future wealth units. This is not financial advice, but this is crypto common sense. If you learn something new, smash that like button and subscribe to Crypto Noe for more Bitcoin education made simple. And remember, one Satoshi today could be your ticket to financial freedom tomorrow.